Everyone, a quick demonstration. I thought that was pretty cool using some mortgage documents here. We're going to take a bailee letter. We're going to build two neural models. So just kind of on the back end of this project here was the ability to basically classify the documents for each letter. We're going to fork the batch. Then we're going to run it through Azure and then Google, both custom neural models. We're then going to check header fields. So in certain situations, you're going to have a single bailee letter for a single borrower. So if I am buying a house and they're selling my mortgage, I could be a single payer on a particular bailee letter, or there could be multiple people. So what we need to do is then normalize the data and take the header information and copy it to the table, which you'll see. We then run a server-side script to remove any empty rows, and then based on whether the required fields, and there's all sorts of logic here that we put in, comparing both the Google and the Azure Document Intelligence custom models, and basically whether the fields are all filled in or not. So if it isn't, it then goes to an index step. If it is 100%, I think I have it at 90% confidence. All the required fields are put in and it string matches. Then it goes right to export. So I just sent through one of these documents. And if we come here, you'll see if I open this up, we have our Azure side and we have our Google side. And the way it works is if any, it does a full string match. So if either value is incorrect, the Google side will actually be the side that we highlight in red if there is an error within the document. And you can see normalized table structure. So what you don't see here is when we built the neural model, because this is a single borrower, Carrie Shirley, again, made up names here, then it's going to basically copy that information down to the table. So we can support both a single borrower and multiple borrowers in a single data model or job within Kodak Info Input. So you do see here below, we're doing some iOCR transformations, so removing things like periods, dashes, things like that that prefix or suffix in a value. So like for instance here where you see ABA routing, there's a pound sign in front of that. We're stripping those special characters as part of an IOCR transformation script. But pretty cool. Both models read the file exactly the same. If there was an issue, it would highlight the particular field in red. You can also see items that have a bold title. Those are required fields versus the items that aren't required. Because a table, it's hard to tell what fields are required or not. In this case, loan number, borrower, and note amount are absolutely required, whereas the final three fields are not. So we had to put some table logic in there to support that. Thought this was a cool use case. Thank you. Like and subscribe for more.